Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished fellow shareholders, it is my pleasure to welcome you to the 42nd Annual General Meeting of our company. In compliance with Section 275, subsection 8 of the Companies and Other Matters Act, the registers of directors' attendance at meetings and shareholding are hereby produced and will remain on the table, accessible to members. Since my statement to the members was written in March this year, it will be appropriate to make a few remarks on certain developments which have occurred in the interim. I would therefore like to read an updated chairman's statement to you, fellow distinguished shareholders. The focus for this year's annual general meeting is doing more, touching lives, which emphasizes the core of our commitment towards delivering great value across the relationship chains from our production processes through to consumers and also across board to employees, suppliers, distributors, regulators, and the Nigerian environment. Dear esteemed shareholders, I am delighted to report that your company's performance and operating results for 2012 was very positive. In the year under review, turnover was 25.3 billion naira, an 18% increase over the previous year. Profit before tax and profit after tax were 4.171 billion naira and 2.833 billion naira respectively, in 19% and 23% growth over the previous year respectively. Marketing and sales, before then, dividend will be recommended of 1 naira 30 kobo per share, representing 1,245 million naira to be paid to shareholders subject to appropriate withholding taxes. Marketing and sales. By May, we had launched Sensodyne Rapid Action, the reformulated Horlicks, and most recently, Lucozade Hydro Pure Water, which is a premium table water. The performances of these new products are expected to contribute considerably to our business growth in the future. We are committed to obtaining and responding to consumer insight with a strong passion for innovation, value-adding products, and a drive for success. We have also continued to make substantial investments in our Agbara factory in order to maintain our edge over competition. Shareholding, investment, and growth. The aim of GSK is to improve the quality of human life by enabling people to do better, to do more, feel better, and live longer. For our company to achieve this and remain competitive in the Nigerian consumer healthcare market, it requires the continuing support and commitment of Glaxo Smithkline PLC, the parent company. Glaxo Smithkline Nigeria intends to embark on an extensive upgrade of its operations in order to enhance its manufacturing capability and to develop new product portfolios with the aim of ultimately increasing returns. The proposed upgrade will require significant capital expenditure. This investment is critical for the company to remain competitive and to continue to offer a variety of products to Nigerian consumers. GSK PLC has expressed a willingness to provide the support required to upgrade GSK Nigeria's operations on the condition that it was able to increase its shareholding in the company. Following a consideration of its proposal, the board of Glaxo Smithkline Nigeria has reached a definitive agreement in principle with our parent company GSK PLC on the terms of a proposal whereby GSK PLC will increase its ownership in the company to 80%. Under the terms of the proposal, GSK PLC will acquire approximately 321 million ordinary shares in the company on a pro rata basis from existing shareholders at the offer price of 48 naira per share. It is proposed that the proposal be effected by way of a scheme of arrangement. The proposal is presently awaiting approval at the Securities and Exchange Commission, and it is expected to be presented to the shareholders in due course for approval during a court-ordered meeting. Strategic review of Lucozade and Ribena. It is important to inform the shareholders that Glaxo Smithkline PLC, the parent company, has recently concluded the review of the Lucozade and Ribena brands and has decided to sell them. However, our company is expected to continue to bottle and sell Lucozade and Ribena going forward, either for GSK or for any potential new owners of the brands. It will be too early to speculate on any details of these arrangements by the parent company, but we shall keep shareholders informed accordingly. We are determined to win in the marketplace and deliver superior returns to our shareholders. We remain deeply committed to our values, which are to show respect for people, be consumer-focused, commit to openness and transparency, and always demonstrate the highest integrity in our conduct. I would like to express my profound gratitude to you, our esteemed shareholders, and other stakeholders, suppliers, distributors, regulators, for your cooperation and support. I also want to thank the management and staff of our company for their continued commitment and dedication to achieve our corporate goals. Thank you for your attention.
The performance of our company GSK is laudable, it is satisfactory, and we have paid or are paying 1 naira 30 kobo. That is an increase from last year, and you heard it said by some of the shareholders that if you look at the financial 5-year summary, this year is the best in these 5 years. So I'm very much happy that the company is very profitable. The company is adding value to shareholders' investments. The company is making further investment, and the growth and profitability is assured.